Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we will present about our lab 1 which is computer structure and function. So today we will talk about von Neumann and Harvard computer architecture. So here is our group members. Let's start with our first topic which is introduction to von Neumann and Harvard architecture. So first, let's start with the introduction. The first computer had fixed programs, and changing a computer program required physically rewiring or redesigning the machine. This meant that repurposing a computer was a difficult, expensive, and time-consuming process. The mathematician John von Neumann designed the specification for the first programmable computer in 1954 based on Tor program concepts. Form of Tor program computer architecture, known as the Harvard architecture, have also been developed alongside the von Neumann model. That's all from me. Let's continue with other discussion.
Okay, now let's get into the differences and similarities between von Neumann and Harvard architecture major components. For the differences, von Neumann is based on an older computer architecture, while Harvard architecture is based on modern architecture by Harvard Mark I Relay model. Von Neumann also used single memory space for instructions and data, while Harvard architecture used separate memory address for storing instructions and data. Furthermore, a shared bus is used for transferring both data and instructions for von Neumann, while Harvard architecture utilizes separate bus for data and instructions. Von Neumann is most cost-effective to implement because it is old, while Harvard architecture is more expensive than von Neumann because it is more modernized. Last but not least, for von Neumann, CPU cannot access instructions and read-write data simultaneously, while Harvard architecture, the modern version, can fetch instructions and read-write data at the same time. There- There's more differences included in the report. Now for the similarities, both has central processing unit, both use arithmetic logic unit to perform arithmetic and logical operations, both include a control unit to direct and manage operations, both use registers for temporary storage and data instructions, both have memory for storing program data and instructions, both support input and output devices for user interaction. That those are the similarities.
Alright, for the example of first project computer, for example, is a TV remote control. A TV remote control is a first program computer meant to send a signal to the TV, like a change channel or adjusting the volume. It's a function are built in it can be reprogrammed to do other tasks. Unlike modern computers, it don't have the memory to store or run different programs. Alright, I think that's all for us. Thank you for our present today.